What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Hope you had a great day. And today is Thursday. The day is almost over actually. But I'm super excited to do this quick video to share with you what is going on with my software business. And we just got access to our software last night. And today I had the opportunity to check it out. And I'm super excited to share it with my friend marketers, just because I think it's going to be a really great asset to your business if you are looking for automation, if you want to automate your leads, right? And help you automate your sales. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, let's just do a quick recap with what my software business offers you. Okay. And you're going to have access to your own back office. Okay. You're going to be able to see your leads, your signups, your phone number. The company is going to go ahead and give you the phone number. And then it's also going to give you your affiliate link. Okay. So you're going to be able to get access to this. And I want to share with you, let's go real quick and do a little recap. But my software business, what is this business about? Okay. You do earn 100% commission. Okay. Company gives you the phone number. Okay. You share it with other people. When somebody calls the phone number or text the number, the virtual assistant helps you close the sale. Okay, which is something that's super, super awesome, especially if you're somebody that wants to, again, have time freedom and have assistance when it comes to closing your $200 commissions. Okay. And really cool thing, upon joining, you do get 100 bonus credits, right? That's for the phone number and the texting. And you do earn the $200 per commission, and you get 12 softwares that you can promote. Okay, and you get to earn 100% of the commission. This software is already included with your one-time payment of $200 to get started with the opportunity. Okay, and then you get to earn 100% of the commission for when people get access to the software. And then of course, really awesome thing, I did create a personal bonus, because I think it's so important when you're growing a team that your team members can also duplicate your results. I'm pretty sure if you've been following me on social media, on Facebook, you've been seeing all the different payments that have been coming in. I was out at a birthday party and wine tasting, and I had commissions coming in. And this is what I show you inside of my 6K bonus training. Okay. Once you get access to the 6K bonus training, you're going to be able to offer that training to your personal team, so you can allow me to coach your team. So another thing, right? We are having live coaching sessions inside of my Facebook group. So you'll be added to my personal private group where I'm going to be doing live coaching sessions in relation to this my software business. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the software. One of the softwares that I want to mention is this one right here, which is called Post Profits. You can generate leads and sales on automation. Okay. The description is the most powerful automated Facebook marketing tool on planet Earth for your personal profile. So I'm going to share with you how powerful this software is, because I was looking at it today. And imagine if you could have, right, if you're somebody that likes to travel, that you like to go out, you are out and about, but yet you want your business running for you in the back end. I'm going to show you something really, really, really cool. Okay, so for example, what this software does, I'm going to show you a type of promotion that I do when it comes to my business opportunities, right? I'm going to show you what a promo post is, so you can kind of get an idea of what it is, right? If you are offering an opportunity, I'm going to show you exactly how I am here, right here. Okay, awesome. This is a promo post right here that I did on Facebook, okay? It says, these keep popping in, share your phone number, okay? And then have your own virtual assistant help you close your sales. Earn $200, instant commissions, get access to my 6K month formula. So this is a post to create curiosity. And you can see all these people asking for information, right? There's 129 comments. So I have all these people, right? A lot of the people asking for information. And more info, please. Info, please. Info, is it worldwide? Info, I'm interested. Info, I'm ready to learn. Info, right? So all these people were interested in getting more information about my opportunity. So what this software does, check this out. What this software does is that you can set it up so that when somebody writes a word, right, like the word info, it's going to trigger the software to automatically send them a message, right? Send them a message and say, hey, thank you. Hey, it even uses their first name, which is really cool. It'll use their first name and it'll be, for example, this person. Hey, Ronald, I see that you asked for more information. This is the detail. And then you can also have it place a link so that, they go ahead and check out your opportunity. So that is super, super exciting. If you're somebody that, wants to be on the go, but have, use different tools. I'm a big person when it comes to automating. If I can automate, 100% of my business, I totally would do that, right? But if I can have, Facebook is one of my platforms that I use to market my business opportunities. But if I can have some tools that are going to help me automate, my business, I'm going to totally jump into this. So anyways, so that's what this tool does, right? If it triggers it with a certain word like info, the software knows exactly what to do. It says, hey, Sean Timmons, thank you for reaching out. You can write exactly what you wanted to say. Thank you for reaching out. You can also do a couple of answers, right? So it doesn't just sound the same, and do a little, variety of responses and say, hey, Sean Timmons, thank you for reaching out. These are the full details. Please review everything and let me know if you have any questions, right? So at least you are partially automating your business when it comes to, closing your sales. So this is super exciting. And of course, if you have tons of marketing friends, if you have tons of people that are interested in marketing automating their Facebook, then this, my software business, right, is going to be a great asset for them and for their business. So I hope you found the value in this. If you have any questions, message me directly on Facebook. If you're ready to get started, okay, with this different software, these are all the different softwares you're going to get, right? These are all the different softwares you're going to get. They're going to help you with your business. So, but again, I just wanted to focus on one today. So take action today. Go ahead and click on the link below, and then it's going to take you so that you can create an account and then follow the steps to get started with the team. Again, I'm super excited, looking forward to working with you, and I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.